What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. If you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What I am going to do today is I am going to show you guys how to sublimate on these. I am bringing this design back. I don't know if you guys saw my last video where I did the frosted mason jar. This design that I did was so cute, so I went ahead and did it on this. Basically what it is, it's like a and I'll show you guys it plain as well. Obviously, because I've subbed on it, I have already recorded the process, but I will show you guys what it looks like plain and all of that. But it's basically like a tumbler coffee mug. So it's a coffee mug in tumbler form. Okay, so it has a handle on it. It has the tumbler top. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that. It has the tumbler top. It's a coffee mug in tumbler form. Okay, I got them from Etsy. I will link them down below, but I subbed on these today using the Cricut mug press. You can definitely use the convection oven if you want. Same exact method that you use for your tumblers, all the same. But I just wanted to show you guys that I found these on Etsy. I haven't seen anybody use these before. I thought they were super cute. I'm not sure how much liquid fits in here. I haven't like drinking out of it or anything yet. I really just opened it out the box the other day. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. So stick around so you guys can see the process. Okay guys, so I'm back here and I have my I'm not sure what the heck these are called. Coffee tumbler, coffee mug tumbler, maybe. But this is it. It's this is it blank, but it's a 12 ounce. It's like a tumbler, but it has a handle and it looks like a coffee mug. It does come with the top, like so, right? So you can pop the top open and you can drink out of it. It keeps your drink either hot or cold, and instead of it being like the long 20-ounce skinny tumbler, it's like a coffee mug. So this is what we're doing. I have two of them and I have two designs that I've done already. I did this one on a tumbler before. It's just a mom life. It says what does it say? It says the kids, my hair, it's a mess. Life. Oh, the kids. It's backward because it's, you know, mirrored. The kids, my hair, life, the house, it's a mess. And then it says mom life. Thought that was cute. And then I did this on that frosted mason jar last week, I think. And I'm just gonna duplicate that and put that on here. Let me tell you guys what the measurement is. And I just this I purchased already just like this. I did not make this myself. I purchased it from Etsy. I just typed in like mom life SVG or mom life sublimation, and this is what I got, and I thought it was cute. And then all I did was kind of size it in silhouette to my mug, which I'm going to tell you the size now. I don't remember, so I have to measure it. So we got 9.5 wide by 4.5 tall. Okay. Now I am just going to line it up with the handle, doing it all the way around. And I'm going to take my heat tape here and secure it with the heat tape. I probably will add some painter's tape just to make sure it's nice, and I just messed that piece of tape up. Let's try that again. And then I turned around and did the same thing again. There we go. Okay. So I'm just going to tape this down at the seam. Why does piece of tape won't give me problems? Somebody asked me where I got my tape dispenser from. I did get it from Amazon. I'll link it down below, hopefully, if I remember, for you guys. Okay, so there's the first piece of tape, and then I'm just going to wrap it all the way around. And we're going to tape this piece down as well. This one is weighted, so it works a little bit better than my other one. There we go. But yeah, I will try to remember to link this down below for you guys. Sorry if you can hear my son. He's in the other room doing gym. He's in gym. He's still virtual for the most part. He only goes to school maybe like, he goes 4 days a week, but it's only for like 3 hours. So he goes from like 8 a.m. to 11, and that's it. And then the rest of it is virtual, which is odd, but whatever. Okay. Because this mug press is not, this Cricut mug press is not the oven, and when you close this, it creates like a ton of pressure. I'm not gonna really do anything else. I am gonna get a piece of butcher paper. Just because I want to protect, obviously, the padding. But I'm not going to tape it any more than this because I don't need to. Because this Cricut mug press creates a ton of pressure when you put the cup in there and you close it. Okay? So I'm just going to cover it just like this. I'm going to stick it in there just like this. Okay? Here, let me slide this down so you guys can see. And I have it preheating already. So I am just going to kind of stick it down in here. And it should fit. I thought I tested it already. There we go. Push it down all the way. And then I am going to close it. All right. I'm going to leave it in there for the full amount of time, which I'm pretty sure is about 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it in here. I will bring it back when it's done. I'm going to get this second one taped up. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and do both because you don't need to see me tape the second one. You just saw me tape this one. So I'm going to finish this, do this, come back, and I'll show you the final result. Alright guys, so I'm back here. The timer for the second one just went off. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out. I didn't use a piece of butcher paper this time. I wanted to see if there would be an ink transfer or not. So, because I don't want to keep using it if I don't have to, the butcher paper. I don't see any ink on the padding here, but I'll probably still use the butcher paper just to be safe. But I'll go ahead and take the tape off of the first one here. Let me turn this off and get it out of my way because it is hot. I did take a peek at it already because I'm impatient. And y'all, it looks so freaking cute. I absolutely love this design. I showed you how I made it in my last video. Basically, I just took a sunflower background and where is my, here it is. I took a sunflower background and just added the girl on top of it in Canva. And I have been putting this design literally on everything. It just gives me like summer vibes, drinking some ice cold lemonade or even some spiked lemonade. It's a barbecue. I got some ice, some lemonade, and some vodka in my cup because I do drink. I don't know about y'all, but I love this design. I love how this came out. It's super, super pretty. Okay. And then the top just goes, I'm right-handed, so I will probably drink it like this. The top goes right on there like that. And then you can get you a little straw if you want. It doesn't come with a straw, but you know, you can get the little plastic straw. And I was able, let me turn the light back on so y'all can see. There's like a line here at the bottom. I was able to sub on that line pretty seamlessly. I don't know if y'all can see it right here. that line. Hopefully, my camera isn't really trying to focus. There, can y'all see that better? The line, there it is, the line right here. So it was able to sub over that line pretty seamlessly. Came out so cute. I love this design. All right, let's take the tape off of this one. I have so many cups. I don't know if you guys remember my the tumbler I did with the Hocus Pocus one last year around Halloween, but I had made so many of those learning how to sub on tumblers, and I probably have like 10 of those. And I saw my husband drinking, like, I think he had fruit punch or something, because we normally use like the little red plastic cups, but we were out of them, and he was walking around drinking out of that. And he's like, you just have so many of them at this point, you might as well not even buy any other cups. We can just drink out of your tumblers, your tumbler oopsies. This one is so pretty too. It came out so good. Alrighty, and I will absolutely link the, did I get this from Etsy? I believe I got this from Etsy. I will absolutely link the Etsy shop down below. This one came out amazing as well. There's the line. I do have a little light spot right here, but that's okay. It's for me. Colors are still popping. Look at that. And then the top, where's the top? Here it is. Goes, you know, just right on top. You can get you a little straw. Boom. And I did mirror this time, as y'all can see. Alright, but that is all I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop them down below. Any video ideas you guys would like me to do, drop those down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.